Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. I'm going to teach you computer for class 6 and the book we will be following eSkills Learner Level 6 page number 111 till 117. Module number 4 working with numbers and the task is rows and columns. Resources required: laptop, PCs, mobile, textbook, worksheet and internet. Student, in this chapter we will perform activity and work with spreadsheet and also solving worksheet. This is the revision of that topic which we have already studied and discussed in round 2. Quote of the day: every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Students, you have difficulty that you haven't worksheet and book which is not available during the days easily. So this is a procedure that you can work and how to download and work on worksheet. Let's see. Let's work with spreadsheet. As you know, people and business use spreadsheet mainly for organizing information as a computer does is fast and accurately. Furthermore, spreadsheet help us analyze information and produce graph and pie charts. Now it's time to practice. So students, let's identify the formatting of a table. First, select the C12. Now this is the column of C and here a row number 12. The exact location is C12. See here. Now how is the text aligned in the following cell? You can use these options and choose the right answer. Now what about A11? This is your A column and this is your row number 11. Now find out what is the right answer and the text aligned in the formatted cell. D12. Here is your D column and the row number 12 is this. You can select the exact location which is D12. Now see here which alignment option which is selected in that cell. Identify the formatting of a table. Now open Teacher's Microsoft file in order to draw some useful conclusions. More specifically, open the subfolder name ap.6.4.1 countries in my document and find the Microsoft file name countries information. Then open it. Now observing the spreadsheet carefully, you will see that formatting has been applied to some of the inputted data. So now you have to explore this particular spreadsheet and fill in the next table according to the table format. Now let's do this activity. Students, how is the text aligned in the following cells? Let's start another activity. Students, what is the capital of Argentina? Here is your Argentina and see what is the capital of. Yes, your answer is right. Write it in your worksheet. And now, is this record completely correctly? Yes, because you can see here. Now click on the Argentina capital cell and what do you notice in the formula bar content? See here, you can write it in your worksheet. And also, how can you display the whole content of this record without changing the column width? The option is C. Which option? Apply on that cell. So write it down. What is the capital of Argentina? Is this record completely correctly? Click on the Argentina capital cell and what do you notice in the formula bar content? And the last one is how can you display the whole content of this record without changing the columns width? So let's discuss about our cell position. The students A3, B4 and A5. Here is your column number A, B and C. First A3. This is your A3 position and which is select up to B4 and also A5. If you select any individual cell, it will show the same location. Like if I have select B3, it will show here B3 because B is the column and 3 is the row number. What about B2, B7? Select this cells up to B2 from B7. And what about A2, C5? If we select multiple cells, so press A2 first, click on A2 cell and then press Ctrl plus key and hold it and then select C5. You can select multiple selections at a time and select all the cells which you required. Match the selected cells with the corresponding written cells. Let's discuss more formatting option in spreadsheet. First of all, drag the column or row like that and type name here. See, there is 6 different locations here, which is top align, middle align, bottom align, left align, center and the right align. The student, if you press on this option, it will change into currency format. But before you apply, you can type just randomly some numbers like that and press this option. It will turn it to currency format. If you apply percentages, you can just select on percent style like that. It will show percent symbol as well as it multiply by 100 also. If you select this option, it will a comma style and turn the content of the cell into a decimal like that. So students, have you see that there is 2 decimal numbers and we can increase the decimal by this and decrease the decimal here. There is general option here. You can just select and change the format of the cell like that. I hope so you understand this other formatting options too. Students, put a correct if the sentence is correct. This is your activity. Solve this activity. And if you think that statement of those statements are correct, put the right answer and leave the others. Match the icons in the left column with the corresponding formatting actions. This is your task. Insert columns and rows to a spreadsheet. A suggested way to find information is to search particular sites on the internet, and you can use the following websites: www.nationsonline.org and www.infopeace.com. Insert 3 columns into tables, more specifically, one column named regions, which will contain the region's name of each country. Insert this column to the right of the column named official language. Name the second column currency and input the corresponding data. Name the third column climate and input a few words to describe the climate of each country. Then insert 3 rows in the table, more specifically add 3 countries from different regions to the table and then fill it in with the corresponding data. Format your table. Now that your table has been updated, it's time to format it as like. More specifically, add a title to your table. Apply the same text alignment to all cells. Use the form group and try to format the table as you would in Microsoft Word. Change the column width where the text is hidden. Change the row height in order to read your data more easily. That's all from my side. Last but not the least, stay safe, stay home and listen to your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.